Hey everybody, it's Andrew again. As many of you know, today marks 3 years since my baby brother Jacob Steeple joined our Heavenly Father. And, I just wanted to play a special song that was one of his favorites that really kind of portrays how awesome of a soul he had and how, great and fun person he really was. So as you're thinking of all the fun times and all the great memories of Jacob, just, remember to keep it happy, and hope you enjoy the song. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I rose up this morning, smiled with the rising sun, and 3 little birds were by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. They're singing, "This is my message to you." Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. We rose up this morning, smiled with the rising sun, 3 little birds perched by my doorstep, and they were singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. They were singing, "This is my message to you." Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Have an awesome day. Think of Jacob. Stay happy. Stay smiling. Love all ya.